He was putting you at 11 psi and 19 psi?
Trying to make me crash.
That turn was sketchy right there. Okay, I hope they didn't go into it. Let's go back up. No, 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 no. Good evening, gentlemen. All right, gentlemen. Let's go, gentlemen. Damn, gas is going up. How much y'all fill up for? $6.20. I got 8. Ah! Oh my God, I almost just broke my foot. How is it? Oh, you like it? It's so bad. Yeah?
Bro, it's so hard to turn. Oh my God.
Yeah, your tire's like...
It. My tire. That's why I was like, I accelerated on the ramp and I heard it and I was like,
That exhaust though. Right away, just toss it, bro. Yeah. Yup. Right when we get back.
Okay, tonight.
Yup.
And just slide it down in here when you're done. Okay.
Thanks.
Pull it back a little bit. Just make it easier. I'm gonna thank your fucking extend caps. Thanks, dude.
Just pump it, bro, till it pops.
45, way too high. Look at that curl, dude.
Has like a blue hue to it.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that till now.
Thing's sick, bro. I'm gonna take a shit on it. 38. What is that, bro? Damn, he said fuck your tire. He was putting you at 11 psi and 19 psi?
Trying to make me crash.
They got good roads.
Those roads are perfect.
Yeah.
Like, you can guarantee every curve.
Yeah,
yeah.
like, hitting them 30 mile per hour turns like 70.
Shit, I'm doing pretty good for my first night on it. I love this fucking bike. This thing is so fun. It's the best of both worlds right there. Oh my God. The gravel, yeah, I not survive.
We all almost went off that bitch, bro.
I look back and you get close.
I was close as fuck. Alright, let's go.
You gotta remember that next time.
Yeah. Hatcher's Pass. You can go up this road in the summertime and you'll end up on the other side going towards Talkeetna. Yeah, there's still a lot of gravel down here. Whoa. That turn was sketchy right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of dust on that one.
That turn. Fuck, I hope they didn't go into it. Cause I slid into it.
I only stopped because you did. Fuck.
Let's go back up. Fuck, fuck, fuck. No, no. Did you wipe? Did you hit it?
We're good. It went sideways, I fell and flew.
You fell?
Bro, all it is that, and that. It's just plastic.
Fuck.
Gravel got me.
Fuck.
I was like right there, and you can see where my head hit and shit. Bro, that shit kicked me like this. I went up, the bike landed on me, and then I didn't feel a thing, dude. I'm good, bro, and the bike is good too. I just need new exhaust.
Oh, this is bad.
And then the handlebar. That's okay though.
Damn, my bad, bro. We should have stopped right here to wave him down. Cause I hit that right there too, and I told Scott, I was like, fuck.
Cause he was like, I could see the dust come up. I was like, oh shit.
It's fucking too early up here, man. There's so much gravel. I was like going straight into the guardrail, you know, so I just tried to come this way, and it kicked out immediately, and then it flipped back that way, and then flung me off. He high-sided too. It was sketchy.
Damn, for real?
Yeah. And then it went back, and then I went like that.
You flew?
High-sided.
You flew? You flew?
I ain't gonna lie, this is the
I
best.
flew, bro. Dude.
This is the best condition I've ever seen from a high
Bro,
side.
Yeah.
No
I
cap.
thought you guys would have seen Scott slow down.
Oh, you guys took off. We were behind.
Fuck.
Oh,
You alright?
I fucking didn't even feel it. Literally.
That's all that matters, bro. All this shit. Now you got an excuse to mod it out.
Yeah. And it'll just feel weird.
I need someone to help me with it. Let's go on 3.
What?
1, 2, 3. That's it. It ain't going nowhere.
I think my head hit like somewhere around here, like right here. Right on that gravel patch. And then I unlocked and I tried to do it again and it was still locked right back up and then that was fucking...
This one I think was mine.
Yeah, this one right here is mine right here.
We all came in hot.
Holy fuck, boys! Thank God we're still alive.
It always has to be something after we have fucking fun ripping up here.
Right.
First it was almost Scott
Right.
and you.
Oh, my throttle is shaking.
Huh?
I feel like gonna be on Revzilla tonight.
Right.
That's how I felt. And then Nestor was running around telling me,
This is gonna be like Area 51 footage. Nestor gonna tear his ass up.
Right.
51 footage. I can't believe that. Bro, dude, don't tell Nestor.
You're good. Just make sure your brakes are working, bro. I don't want you falling off this mountain. We centered his handlebars, and the bike's riding good, so we could ride it back into town.